It's time to learn and twirl. It's time for Bruno and Sol. It's time for Bruno and Sol.
Hey everybody, it's me, Sol. Let's make a rainbow fruit salad. One and all, red strawberry, sweet and bright. Yellow banana, pure delight. Orange, juicy and fun. Let's chop them up, everyone. Rainbow fruit salad, color so bright. Red and yellow, green and purple, what a sight. With Sol the ducky dancing around. Rainbow fruit salad, best snack in town. Yum, 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 take a bite. Fruit party, day or night. Green kiwi, fresh and zesty. Purple grapes, sweet and ready. Blue blueberry, tiny and bold. Mix them together, joy untold. Stir, stir, stir it round and round. Shake, 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 best fruit in town. Rainbow fruit salad, color so bright. Thank you, Sol, you're our delight. Red, yellow, green and blue. We love fruit salad, and we love you. Yummy, yummy fruit salad, hooray! See you next time, have a fruity day.
Hi friends! Thanks so much for watching Bruno and Sol. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next adventure. See you soon. Have an amazing day.